In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits on Mailchimp. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or simply looking to switch from a monthly plan to a pay-as-you-go option, this guide is here to walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and visiting Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard, which is the central hub for all your campaigns and account settings. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account and Billing. This section is where you manage all your account details, including billing information. Once you're on the Account and Billing page, the next step is to click on Billing. You'll find this option prominently displayed, and it's where you can make changes to your current plan or purchase credits. In the Billing section, you'll see an option that says Monthly Plans or Credits. Click on that to proceed. Here, you'll have the choice to either stick with a monthly plan or explore the pay-as-you-go credits option, which can be more cost-effective depending on your usage. Now, if you decide that the pay-as-you-go option suits your needs better, look for the Convert to Pay-as-you-go button. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can select the amount of credits you'd like to purchase. Mailchimp usually offers various packages, so you can choose the one that aligns with your anticipated email volume. Once you've selected your preferred credit package, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. This typically involves confirming your selection and entering any necessary payment information. Make sure you review the details carefully before finalizing the transaction to ensure you're purchasing the correct amount of credits. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Mailchimp's interface to purchase credits for your campaigns. Whether you're sending out newsletters, promotional emails, or any other type of communication, having credits on hand ensures you can do so without interruption. Remember, buying credits is a flexible option, especially if your email sending needs fluctuate month to month. It can help you manage your budget more effectively while still reaching your audience. If you have any questions about this process or need further assistance, Mailchimp's support team is always just a click away. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.